Kind of an odd video, but today in this video, we're customizing these shoes. Nothing special. They're literally Fila's. They were like $14 or $20 at Walmart. But I'm customizing them. I'm gonna make them look cool regardless. I just need a cheap base shoe, and I have other shoes that I want to customize in the same way for the same purpose. I'm not gonna tell you.
We do not care.
It's a company. But these come out good. I'm gonna do all the shoes like that. First thing we gotta do though, I was gonna draw up a design for the shoes. I was gonna plan how I was gonna try and get them to look, but then I was like, anytime I plan something, it comes out ass. So we're not gonna plan jack shit. I'm gonna take the laces out of these shoes and just tape them where I think I don't want, and we gonna roll from there. So here I'm flying through and taking the laces out of both shoes. Now I'm taping up all the parts of the shoes that I don't want paint to get on. Alright y'all, I don't know how well I'll be able to show this, but we outside now because I wanted to be responsible, and we filled up the thing. You can't see the water in there, but I don't have an angle to where I can show you me actually hydro dipping them, so we're gonna rock out with this.
Nobody fucking cares! You thought I agree with you? Nobody fucking cares!
I'm gonna fill it up a little bit more, then we'll go in with the design, hydro dip. Alright, here we go. Hold on. That motherfucker kinda tough, dog. Hold on, that motherfucker kinda tough. Where dark? Get some of the dark in here. Right here. I don't know about this one. It's all up though. I'm overall happy with them. I'm not gonna lie. They came out real good. I'm not gonna lie. They came out real good. Let's show them to you one more time. You know what I'm saying? So if you're really into customizing and you want to hydro dip, or you enjoy my videos, I'd say, bro, it don't matter if you're a kid, it don't matter if you're an adult. Go to Walmart, get you some $10 shoes and test it, bro. Like, don't just get Air Force Ones and start customizing them thinking that you're gonna be like these YouTubers like Marco and stuff. Just go to Walmart, get you some cheap knockoffs that look really similar to the Air Force Ones. I'm gonna show you those in this video. As a matter of fact, I got them for like $17, and just test it. See if you really can, if you really are liking your ability and you learn how to do it. Hey bro, start customizing all your own shoes. These are dry enough for me to take the tape off of them and take them inside without causing a mess. And then we're gonna customize them, get the logo on them, and what else we gotta do? Get the logo on them and fix up any parts that I messed up. All right, we're back, taking the tape off real quick for a reveal. So here we are painting on all the details of the shoes, like the logos, T-Mobile logo, and getting any missed spots that I didn't hit with the hydro dipping.